with the trunk open, I'm going to remove this cargo net, remove yours if you have one, and then these two plastic nuts, hangers that secure the cargo net need to be unthreaded. They just thread onto some studs that are part of the body, and once you get those off, we should be able to just pull the trunk liner straight out from in here. There we go. Don't remove it all the way, just pull it back. And then you'll notice a couple 10mm nuts. There's one right there, and then another one right up here. And with a 10mm wrench or socket, whatever you have, just go ahead and remove these. Once you break it free, looks like you can just take it off by hand. Do the same to both. Okay, now pull straight out on it. And there it is. You can flip it over, and here's the electrical connector. Pull up on this tab, or down, I guess, to disconnect it. Set that aside, and here's your old taillight. Now, if you had your new taillight, you'd go ahead and reconnect it. Make sure the connector clicks on. Right now it's not actually locked. There we go. Now it's locked. It's important to do that, otherwise you can have it come unplugged while you're driving. Line it up, press it on, and let's bolt it back up. I'm going to start with this one over here. Bottom it out by hand and give it a little snug with a wrench. Don't go too tight on it. They're just the studs come out of the plastic housing, and you can basically just rip them out if you go too tight. Do the same to the upper one over here, and snug it up just a little bit. There we go. Now put the carpet or the trunk liner back in. Make sure it fits underneath this piece over here. There we go. Oops. Okay, now it's in. Line it up with the studs. Make sure the rubber weather stripping goes over. To put these on, you can just press them on. Let's put back the cargo net. And there you have it.